Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Mr. and Mrs. Cricket. Every time we say we will be posting the video, but we are always late, and it's all because of me because I'm too busy to come on the to sit and to record a video. So let's get started. I hope you guys. What should I say, Aruj?
Okay, first of all, let's just, before we get into it, congratulations to Bangladesh and their team for playing such
They
a
made
wonderful
history,
cricket.
man.
Cricket, yeah, they made history. But what I do want to say is that they played a proper cricket. Like the fact that in the second test match, they brought their score from 26
For 6 to 262 something.
yeah, and all credit goes to Liton Das. I mean, I've always known that he was a great batsman because you can see it in other formats that he's been really great.
Yeah, Pakistan
No,
सब टीमों से हार गया है.
let's not go into Pakistan before.
पाकिस्तान सब टीमों से हार गए. अब टेस्ट मैच भी हारना था, वो भी हार गए. हिस्ट्री बन गई है.
अच्छा, उस पे सैडनेस से पहले बांग्लादेश जहाँ पे डिजर्व करता
Yeah,
है,
they played
deserve
well.
it. They played
deserve
well.
to win.
उनकी-
They were good in all the formats,
Yes.
bowling, batting, and fielding. They were like
They were better
up to
than
the mark. They were
Pakistan.
better than Pakistan. Their bowling was good. Their fielding was good. Their batting was good. ऐसे तो नहीं ना पूरी टीम फेल हो रही है. कोई ना कोई बंदा चल रहा है और परफॉर्म कर रहा है और आगे से कुछ रिजल्ट दे रहा है. इधर एक बंदे पे रिलाई करते हैं, जब वो फेल होता है सारी टीम फेल हो जाती है. So we don't have any kind of backup. We don't have a match-winning player now. And क्या कहें, अब बॉलिंग भी हमारी जो पिछले 20 साल से थी कि देयर बॉलिंग इज़ द बेस्ट. अब बॉलिंग भी फारिग हो गई है, बैटिंग तो फारिग ही थी, अब वो और ही फारिग हो गई है. अब क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें. वेल, बांग्लादेश क्रिकेट टीम, you deserve it. You deserve to win. You played well in all the formats. And congratulations.
Now I really want to stretch more into the Pakistan cricket. So there are a few things that everybody keeps forgetting is that Pakistan played their next test match after 9 months. Their last test match was in Australia in December. Back then they played much better cricket as opposed to now. Better cricket in the sense that their batsmen were scoring that too on Australian ground. And the second fact is that everybody keeps saying कि भाई हम लोग होम सीरीज में हम लोगों ने ब्लंडर कर दिया, हम लोगों ने नहीं जीत सके अपने घर के. भाई आप अगर फैक्ट उठा के देख लें, पाकिस्तान कब से दुबई में खेलता जा रहा था. इवन वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट और टेस्ट आई विल से जो करंट टीम के प्लेयर्स हैं उनमें से कितने लोग होंगे जिनका एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा अच्छा रिकॉर्ड है टेस्ट क्रिकेट का. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल दैट दे पिक टुडे दे प्ले डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट बट दे हैव नॉट प्लेड इंटरनेशनल टेस्ट क्रिकेट. सो ये भी फैक्ट कोई भूल जाता है कि भाई ठीक है पाकिस्तान की टीम इस वक्त हारी है, बट टू ब्रिंग ऑन एंड जस्ट कम्प्लीटली से कि भाई हम लोगों का स्टैंडर्ड गिर गया, ये वो ठीक है गिरा है, but does that mean that we have to just stay there and say कि भी ख़त्म होगी क्रिकेट ख़त्म होगी? I don't think so. At least from my point of view, I don't know about you, but from my point of view, you have to look at all the factors that are coming in. We don't have a lot of players who played Test cricket internationally in the team that currently just played the cricket. And then secondly, you dropped Shaheen Shah Afridi, who actually won you a lot of Test matches in the past. You dropped Naseem Shah all because of one day that he did not perform well. I don't even know if they dropped them or if they were let go because they had injury and they needed to be well looked after, and plus after their injury they are not performing to their strength like they should have. And then as far as Abrar Ahmed, I mean, last time you made him play was last year or 2 years back, and then all of a sudden you didn't make him play anywhere, and he comes back to play today and he's not performing like his usual best. That kind of falls on you कि आप प्लेयर्स को लेकर आते हो, उसको खिलाते भी नहीं हो, फिर उसके बाद उनसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि फिर कि वो परफॉर्म करे तो वो नहीं कर सकता
और फिर उसके बाद उसको ड्रॉप कर देते हो कि तुमने
तो
परफॉर्म
ये गलत चीज़ है ना कि आप एक हमारी पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री में ये है कि एवरी टाइम दैट अ person doesn't perform one match, the one crucial match or one crucial innings or one crucial series, everybody start talking about them. Ke drop kar do, drop kar do, drop kar do. And this is not just the cricketers I'm talking about, not the professional cricketers, because they're gonna say it, and even they are wrong. Our own nation does that. कि अच्छा इसने किया नहीं, आपने मौका नहीं, अब मौका तो दो किसी को. So the other day I was listening, पाकिस्तान कर रहा है एक अच्छी चीज़ कर रहा है कि चैम्पियंस कप लेकर आ रहा है फॉर ऑल 3 फॉर्मेट कि भाई किसी और उनमें उन्होंने मेंटोर डाले. दैट्स द वन थिंग दैट दे डिड, दे पुट डाउन ऑल द मेंटोर्स एंड फॉर द 5 teams that are going to be playing in Faisalabad. Now those 5 teams are Wolves, Panthers, Stallions, Lions and Dolphins, and for those they have mentor Shoaib Malik, Waqar Younis, Misbah Haq, Suklan Mushtaq and Sarfraz Ahmed. Did you watch the press conference of any one of them?
So no, I mean, I watched the highlights of the press conference, but I mean, you can go into the details of those.
So before I get into any of the mentors in their press conferences, there are few things that I want to point out. Jason Gillespie, his press conference before the last innings of the second test match, everybody asked him that why they dropped Shaheen. He clearly stated why Shaheen was not playing, and that was basically he needed to get back into his form, and they wanted to give him a rest, and plus he just had a baby, so for the next 6 months they are going to be working on him on his bowling.
You guys have
so he can get
already
better.
watched the wicket taking style after he took the wicket and he just did the baby style, so he's a father now.
Anyway, so that's just one of the reasons that Jason did, and everybody keeps saying कि भाई drop कर दिया. I don't think so. मुझे नहीं लगता drop किया. Everybody, all the journalists, all the people who are not really true journalists, they make these statements without actually gathering information. That's just wrong. कि आपको अगर जर्नलिज्म नहीं करना आता तो प्लीज़ आप ना करें. हम जर्नलिस्ट नहीं हैं professionally, but even we know that without facts you shouldn't be reporting anything. Simple. Have your opinion, yeah, but just don't say it if you don't know true facts to it, that they are dropped. Don't do that. So secondly, at the end of the series, Shan Masood's interview, where he was asked about a lot of questions. Some of the points that I want to address was number one on Babar Azam. He's gonna take his side. Yes, he should. अगर किसी की बैड फॉर्म चल रही है, आप उसको ड्रॉप तो नहीं कर देते हो. आप बड़े बड़े प्लेयर्स को देख लो. बाबर आजम बड़ा प्लेयर नहीं है, but
you could take an example of Steve Smith in Australia.
Yes,
he wasn't performing for a very long period,
but they didn't drop him.
He kept him in the team, and they didn't drop him, and at last
they backed him.
They backed him. At last he started performing.
And then there's Kane Williamson.
Yeah.
I mean, whether he performed or not, he is one of those captains who back his team no matter what. I know New Zealand does not have a big roster when it comes to cricket, but at least he backs them. And then as a captain, he hasn't won anything. He's gone all the way through, but he hasn't won anything. But yet, the New Zealand cricket, even now, they offered him a central contract. He just refused to take it this time. But the fact is that they were backing him completely.
Yep.
And then there is Virat Kohli. There was a time in 2021 and 2022 where he was having really bad form and everybody was talking about him.
Yeah.
But did anyone take him out of the team?
No,
in
they
Indian
backed him
team?
up.
No, they backed him up.
And at last he started performing.
Yes. So these are the things that we need to focus on. Like, why do we have to bring it up every time that someone doesn't perform one match, one series?
Our
needs to drop their name. Why?
Our reporters, our journalists, they just talk.
Not only that, our people. Like
Our
on social
people
media,
as
you
well.
go on social media,
I mean,
you guys are talking about this.
I mean, the mindset they have.
ये हमारा
it
mindset
will-
है ना different.
It will never ever change.
हमारे पाकिस्तान का माइंडसेट इतना है कि आप नहीं कर सकते, कि आप इनको ये कह भी दो तो वो इस चीज़ को नहीं करते
Right.
तो मतलब यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट इट कि भाई आप क्यों कर रहे हो, क्या क्यों कह रहे हो. तो आई बैक शान मसूद द बैकिंग द सेम प्लेयर्स. And that's what exactly what Babar Azam did a year ago when they were in Asia Cup, and he wanted to take the same team to the World Cup. It's just his bad luck, and of course the team that broke up, that was the end of it. That all the downfall started then. अभी सिर्फ एक साल हुआ है डाउनफॉल क्रिकेट का, जो कहे जा रहे हैं कि बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो गई है. दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. वो जो स्टार्ट हुआ है एक साल पहले और अब हम साल गुजर गए. दैट डजंट मीन पाकिस्तान इज़ कम्प्लीटली आउट ऑफ द गेम. दे कैन स्टिल कम बैक टू इट. दे कैन स्टिल डू इट इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ़ we do a better job at backing our boys, and we do a better job at making sure that they are doing the best of their talent. मतलब आप उनको बैक इस तरह कर सकते हैं कि आप उनकी हौसला अफजाई करें, उनको ये कह दें कि भाई आप बिल्कुल परफॉर्म नहीं करते, उनको ड्रॉप कर दें. दैट्स जस्ट terribly. आप उनके ऊपर काम करो, आप उनको बेहतर करने की कोशिश करो. That's exactly what you should be doing.
Yep.
Not just like take them out of the team completely.
Yeah.
ये नहीं होता.
I agree on that. I totally agree on that.
So that's not how things have to go. And the second thing that Shan Masood was clarifying, two things that he clarified, because there were two clips that were taking place while the whole series was taking place. Did you see one about the fight? Or the alleged fight between him and Shaheen?
No, that wasn't a
and
fight.
He clarified it wasn't a fight. It was just some related to Shaheen's injury. He just put his hand there, and that was Shaan's mistake because he didn't realize कि उसकी वहीं पे उसने बाजू पे हाथ रखा जहाँ पे उसको इंजरी हुई थी. So with that said, people should not be making up, and these are all the YouTubers, bloggers, even the journalists on national TV. They talked about that कि भाई शहीन जो नहीं है लड़ाई करता है, लड़ाता है. एक दफ़ा उसने अपने कोच के साथ क्या कर दिया कि आप उसको बिल्कुल 100% करके वो लड़ाता है. हो सकता है बाबर आजम और उसके बीच में जो भी सिचुएशन है वो लड़ाके तो नहीं है, बिकॉज फ्रॉम व्हाट आई सी दे स्टिल परफॉर्म. इवन शाहीन परफॉर्म regardless of everything. He still performed after. Now as far as making him the lone wolf in all of this situation कि पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट ख़राब होगी, please don't do that.
Yeah.
Just don't.
Just wait and watch what happens.
क्योंकि एक टीम खेलती है क्रिकेट, एक बंदे की गेम नहीं, 11 बंदों की गेम है. ठीक है, 11 players, all 11 players. If they don't perform, you don't get any result. Okay, one person who doesn't perform, but the rest of the team can perform, right? What happens then? You can't just blame one person over it. And the same thing goes with Babar Azam. Don't blame him. I'm not taking anyone's side. I'm just being neutral about the fact that हम लोगों का जो system है ना गलत. That's the problem. It's not the problem with the players. You want to back the players. Go with the same team. Work on them. Get them in form like they should have been. Give them the confidence. Give them the 100%. उनको पूरा वो खेलने का वो तरीका दें. So they can make the changes. That's another thing that I was thinking about was the coaches. The coach that we currently have, Gary Christian, give him open hand. अगर कुछ एक हफ्ते पहले मोहम्मद समी का is he the one that lives in Virginia, right?
Mohammad Sami? No.
Who lives in
Mohammad
Virginia?
Asif.
मोहम्मद आसिफ, राइट. उसका इंटरव्यू था, उस पर उन्होंने पूछा, किसी ने उनसे सवाल पूछा कि अगर गैरी क्रिस्टन पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट कैसे बेहतर हो सकती है, तो उसने कहा कि गैरी क्रिस्टन को आप खुला हाथ दे दें ताकि वो पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट को बेहतर कर सकें. दैट्स व्हाट वी नीड, not some PCB.
Gary Christian is not a test match coach.
He's not a test match coach, but he is
T20.
Yeah, he's one day in T20.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying कि हम लोग खुला हाथ नहीं देते. Coaches हो या captain हो चाहे players हो, we don't. PCB has to control everything, and then I can't even. The structure
I just want
is the issue.
They should take politics out of the cricket.
The issue.
PCB is a separate entity.
Yes.
Don't bring politics into cricket. जो पॉलिटिक्स है वो सारी क्रिकेट को खराब करी. पिछले 1.5 साल से यही हो रहा है. अब पॉलिटिक्स को साइड पे रखो. पीसीबी का जो भी आपने सरबराह बनाना है वो किसी एक्सपीरियंस बंदे को जो क्रिकेट जानता है, जो सारी हिस्ट्री जानता है. डोंट ब्रिंग पॉलिटिक्स इनटू क्रिकेट. आई नो पीसीबी रेवेन्यू जनरेट करता है, दैट्स व्हाई पॉलिटिक्स आती है और
लेकिन
फिर
वो
सारा कुछ
रेवेन्यू
होता
भी
है।
तभी आएगी जब आपकी
या
क्रिकेट होगी
क्रिकेट होगी, अगर क्रिकेट अच्छी नहीं होगी तो रेवेन्यू नहीं आएगा, पैसे नहीं आएंगे।
I mean, after this whole test series, do you really want Pakistan to hold the Champions Cup? Probably not.
चैंपियंस कप है, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी।
Champions Trophy.
I mean, Pakistan will not be winning the Champions Trophy. That's what I can say.
I mean, अगर इसी तरह चलते रहे,
No chances, no chances. They can go up to the quarterfinals or semifinals. They cannot go into the finals and win the Champions Trophy.
with the way that they're thinking
Yeah,
now,
yeah, they will
But
never do
if
it.
they give Gary Christian the 100% chance, who knows? Our boys can
It's
perform.
just a very very short time, and they don't have any one-day international matches. I mean, I think the
They do.
next test match is with England. England is coming to Pakistan, and they're gonna play there.
But there are one-day international matches.
I mean,
though.
इतने ज़्यादा तो नहीं है ना।
But they're still there. They can still do
So,
it. I'm not saying about the
England is
international
coming
one.
this month to Pakistan to play.
Yeah,
with
but
them.
before that they have the Champions Cup, I think. But anyways, so that was one other thing that Shan Masood said, and Shan Masood also talked about that how some journalists were making point out that he was having a fight with Jason Clipsey. Come on, yaar, aap log kitna
No, they were having a discussion on the out. The way he got out, he was like
no,
this.
not that. He clarified कि भाई वो बॉल के ऊपर डिस्कशन हो रही थी क्योंकि अंपायर्स ने छिक्का मारा था, अंपायर्स ने बॉल जो दी वो पुरानी बॉल दे दी, नई बॉल नहीं दी उनको खेलने के लिए. That was the discussion that they were having. So my point, and by the way, there's only one journalist that I have come across who speaks the truth. That is Sana from PakTV.tv.
I don't listen to her.
I listen to him. He actually speaks the truth, and he makes sense about what he's saying.
Sana?
Yes,
Sana? Okay. I thought
PakTV.tv. You do listen to him once in a while, but he actually does speak the truth, and he speaks senses. He doesn't speak just out of turn. He actually looks at everything from all sides, not just one side. I usually don't name any other journalists in our video, so
Yeah.
that's one. And then from India, I usually listen to Vikrant Gupta. One of the things he did say, Vikrant just did say that Pakistan में जो पॉलिटिक्स और जो ये कैप्टनसी के लेने के जो
चक्कर है, हर कोई कैप्टनसी के लिए जा रहा है कि
वो पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट को नीचे ला रहा है.
Yeah.
He's true.
Yeah.
He's right.
Well,
We're just gonna fail in that.
Alright.
So I still want to make one point. So one thing that I want to come back to was the conference that I saw Suklan Mashaq and सरफराज अहमद की. मैंने उन दोनों की देखी है अभी रिसेंटली, उनकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस सुनी है. So first of all, Sarfraz Ahmed, there was a lot of questions that they asked him, and this guy is so humble, so down to earth. You can
Suklan Mashaq.
No, I'm talking about Sarfraz Ahmed too. He's
Okay.
also a mentor.
Yeah,
for
no.
Delphins.
Okay, carry on.
So Sarfraz Ahmed, he was so down to earth, so humble that the question that they were asking him, he knew that if he was going to answer any of those questions that does not relate to him, he was gonna get in trouble. But he didn't want to say the right truth. But you can tell that what he was talking about. He said the same exact thing that Suklan Mashaq said: unity in the team, and plus you want to back the same boys. You can't just like give up on them. And then he will play his team. He will play his game like when he's given a chance. He's not going to just say that, oh, I will be, मैं इस चीज़ को चाहता हूँ या कोई grudge रखेगा. You can tell the way that he was performing. And one thing he talked about with all the mentors, even Suklan Mashaq, that all the mentors, the whole reason for this Champions Cup that they're going to mentor is they're going to be there to give them to make Pakistan cricket better, so they can find the talent that they're looking for 150 people.
Yeah.
Now, he also said that you need experience playing with the younger boys. You can't just sit there, you have to be humble about it. So he said this is a very major, a crucial point, कि जो हमारे एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर्स हैं, जो हमारे सीनियर प्लेयर्स हैं, उनको छोटे प्लेयर्स के साथ खेलना चाहिए. इसी से उन छोटे प्लेयर्स को आप ग्रूम कर सकते हो, उनको टाइम दे सकते हो, और दूसरा आप उनसे भी लर्न कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
So those are the things that I think that he talked about was really good. Now, Suklan Mashaq. this guy, I was listening to his press conference. A lot of things that he pointed out. One, he pointed out that they're going to, in this Champions Cup, they're going to try to imitate what Indian team and Australian team are doing, what all the things that they're doing. They're going to try to make Pakistan in that, they're going to make them go in that image. Now his point is right. You want to take them in that image. They want to work like that कि भी जिस तरह की वो टीम है कि उनके पॉलिटिक्स नहीं होते, उनका एक स्ट्रक्चर है. बट ये टीम के साथ नहीं है. इट हैज़ टू गो ऑल द वे बैक टू PCB, जो हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी बात की हुई है कि आप अपने घर में नहीं, जब तक कि ठीक नहीं करोगे, आप बाहर किसी को पहले कह नहीं सकते हो. तो इन दिस केस कि हमारे पहले लोगों को भी ठीक होना पड़ेगा कि किसी को ड्रॉप करने का नहीं सोचें. फिर आप ये चीज़ ठीक करें कि भाई अगर कोई अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करा तो उसको आप सोशल मीडिया पे इतना गालियाँ मत दो. या ये गलत चीज़ है कि आप इसको गालियाँ दे देते हो, आप उसको पता नहीं क्या क्या कह देते हो कि वो बंदा पारे गए, ऐसा है वैसा है. डोंट डू दैट. दैट जस्ट brings the whole morale down for everybody, even the team. You're making your team look bad, you're making your country look bad, you're making your teammates look bad. I mean, so I don't know where all this comes from, but people need to stop that.
Yeah.
So Clan Mashaq, he was the head coach of Pakistan from 2021 to 2022. Think about it, guys.
For 1 year only.
For 1 year only. And in that year, where did Pakistan team, how was Pakistan team performing?
Yeah, good.
How? They had unity.
Yeah.
If you listen to his press conference recently, in every single second sentence.
And they changed him after.
Yeah, they changed him.
I don't know
why.
So,
no, he did say that he had to leave because he had a lot of things going on. But जो भी reason था, उसके अंडर पाकिस्तान की टीम में यूनिटी थी. उसके अंडर हम लोग एशिया कप के भी फाइनल में गए. उसके अंडर हम लोग उसके में हमें इंडिया से भी जीते थे. Yeah, we won. No.
I don't remember.
I think we did.
I don't remember. Just, I mean, legit. अगर पता होगा फिर बोलना. We don't remember this.
Okay. But उसके अंदर हम लोग T20 के वर्ल्ड कप के भी फाइनल में थे. Yeah, we played against England. Yeah, he was the bowling coach, but he was also the head coach. So under him, I was looking at the stats. Pakistan was doing very well that year. The year was really well for the Pakistan players, and there was unity, and you can tell. And that was the year that I decided to come back to Pakistan cricket. And after that, it just went down. I don't understand what happened. और आप सुकलान मुश्ताक की सारी बात सुनोगे ना, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस उठा के आप लोग पर खुद भी देख लें. In every sentence he was talking about unity. The one thing that he did say clearly, first Pakistan, then team, then sub. Every other sentence he was talking about that how all the mentors will be working together, and that's how they're gonna make Pakistan. They're gonna make this championship cup an important cup, because then they can find the right talent and bring Pakistan up on the top as they should be. However, he did ask for all the patience. So yes, please be patient. You're not gonna find all the good players within one day. I think we talked about that in our last video too, कि पेशेंस होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप लेकिन एक चीज़ है जो मुझे काफ़ी लोग कह रहे हैं कि I was just talking to someone and people keep saying कि भाई आप नए टैलेंट को लेके आओ. No, you have to work with new and the old talent. You cannot just work with just the new talent. ठीक है, expectations होगी कि हाँ वो lose करेंगे, but then they will not get to learn things from experienced player. So you need that. Any big team, if you pick up any big team, regardless of what kind of sports it is, they always work with one experienced player and one new talent. There is a mixture of it, and there should be a mixture of it.
Yeah, that's how the new players can learn from the senior players.
Exactly. And this championship cup is a crucial cup because you'll have the new and the old players playing. So let's see. And people stop making Babar Azam retire without any reason. Uska bad वक्त चल रहा है, उसका साथ दो. Make sure that he'll get out of this. So all those players sitting on TV and making all these claims, especially Ahmed Shahzad, कि भाई बाबर आजम को निकाल दो। उसने तो इस दफ़ा कैप्टनसी भी नहीं की, so उसने कैप्टनसी भी नहीं इस दफ़ा की। एंड so yeah, just don't do it. And Shan Masood, give him a chance. Don't just kick him out. I'm listening to all these people. I hope PCB doesn't do that. So that's it. That's all my points that I wanted to make for today's video.
All right, thank you guys for watching our video. Please like and subscribe, and do share with your friends and family. And we will be coming out with the new videos as quickly as possible. So yeah,
All right, thank you guys, and take care. Shabba khair. Good night.
good night.
Allah Hafiz.